background behind the I'm going to talk about difference of identification. Sudden Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kashumi Kaushalya, Diploma in Biological Science, Batch 1. This is my topic. I'm going to talk about new traits of identification, sudden blotting. Do you know what is the theory behind such as paternity and maternity testing, identification of murders, and post-cancer test, and HIV testing? Actually, it is sudden blotting. These are my contents. First of all, I would like to talk about the application of sudden blotting, such as paternity and maternity testing, and criminal identification of forensics, and diagnosis of the HIV-1 and infection diseases, and diagnosis of cancer and prenatal diagnosis of genetic diseases. And then I move on to the blotting techniques and history behind the sudden blotting and what is sudden blotting and preferences. And applications. In this presentation, I will mainly focus on the sudden blotting, DNA fingerprinting, such as paternity and maternity testing, criminal identification, and forensic personal identification. They are included in the DNA fingerprint. And to isolate desired DNA for construction of recombinant RNA and identify mutations, deletions, and the gene arrangements. And also, sudden blotting is used in the polygenetic analysis. And when talking about the paternity and maternity testing, the DNA maternity and paternity testing determine biological mother and child relationship, and the biological father and child. The science behind this is sudden blotting. We all inherited half of our genetic material from our biological father and half of our genetic material from our biological mother. The DNA maternity testing and paternity testing compare the DNA fingerprinting between the tested mother or father and child to determine if the child's DNA matches half of the mother's and father's DNA. In these, the DNA maternity and paternity testing are the DNA tested. In this testing, the most advanced and sensitive technology to determine the parent. And another application is criminal identification and forensic. Basically, in criminal identification, use fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting is a scientific process whereby samples of the DNA are collected and used to match other samples of DNA, which may be found at the place of crime. These processes used as one means identification when a murderer or killer has left some kind of body fluid, hair or saliva or blood at the place of the crime, and when no visual identification is possible. And can you remember Saya's incident? In that incident, compare the DNA fingerprint between the suspected ones and child to determine if the collected DNA matches with the suspected murderer's DNA. And another application is diagnosis of the HIV-1 an infectious disease. Actually, southern blot is most widely accepted detection of the antibodies to retrovirus. It is based on using an electrophoresis technique to separate HIV antigen from the virus Blotting culture. And in this technique, denature the viral components, imparts the negative charge of the antigens, and separate them in basis their molecular weight. The separation of the antigen in the technique allows for the identification of specific antibodies to each of viral antigens. In this set of steps, similar to the ELISA methodology. And another application is the southern blotting is used in prognosis, cancers, and prenatal diagnosis of the genetic diseases. The southern blotting is used to direct mutation detection and identify deletion and the duplication and to predict linkage result. The recognition of the basic role of mutation in the genesis of cancer requires the identification of unique genetic changes associated with the particular tumor. Here, southern blotting is used, and the prenatal diagnostic testing involves test the fetus before birth to determine whether the fetus has certain abnormalities, including certain hereditary and spontaneous genetic disorders. And I move on to the blotting technique. The southern blotting is the part of blotting technique. In here, blotting technique is the technical technique for detecting DNA, RNA or protein which are present in the complex mixture. Actually, DNA, RNA, proteins are the main components, biological components in our body. So, the blots are technique for transferring DNA, RNA and protein onto the carrier, so they can be separated, and separated DNA by using the gel electrophoresis, and separated fragments are transferred into the nitrocellular field. And there are three types of blotting techniques are commonly used for visualizing particular macromolecules: southern blot, northern blot, and western blot. In southern blot, we can detect the DNA, and northern blot we can detect the RNA, and western blot we can detect the proteins. And moving on to the history, the technique, the southern blotting, the technique was developed by E.M. Southern in 1975. The southern blotting is used to detect the presence of the particular piece of DNA in a sample, as well as this is used to verify the presence or absence of specific nucleotide sequence from different sources. In this method involves separation, transfer, and hybridization. Goals of hybridizations are first thing is immobilize DNA on the permanent substrate, and second thing is identify DNA sequence of interest. And this is the procedure of southern blotting. First, we should extract and purify. In the first picture, you can see DNA. First, we should extract and purify DNA by using cell lysis buffer, and then we should extract, restrict the DNA, cut into the different size of DNA pieces by using restricted enzyme. And another picture show the gel electrophoresis process. In gel electrophoresis, separate the DNA fragments into based on their size and weight, and then this picture show the nitrocellular method, and then nitrocellular method, and then this picture show the autoreactor. First, extract and purify DNA from cell, then restrict with enzymes, and then separate by the gel electrophoresis, and separated ones are filtered into the nitrocellular paper, and then add for hybridization. apply the voltage, the DNA fragments are going to the gel. And another picture show the migration of the DNA fragments. The small particles are go faster, and large particles are remaining in the top of the gel. And this is the blotting. In here, you can see the yellow one is gel, and above the gel there are white papers. They are called blotting hydrocellulose paper. There are drops. Suppose they are DNA fragments, DNA bands. In here, after some time, the DNA bands are transferred from gel to hydrocellulose paper. This is called blotting.
Blot is used to verify the presence or absence of a specific nucleotide sequence in the DNA from different sources and to identify the size of the restriction fragment that contains the sequence. In this procedure, the DNA is isolated from each source and then digested with a specific restriction enzyme. The DNA restriction fragments are then loaded onto an agarose gel and the fragments separated by electrophoresis according to size, with the smaller fragments migrating faster than larger fragments. The DNA is then transferred from the fragile gel to a nylon filter. Next, the radioactively labeled nucleic acid probe is added. The probe binds to complementary DNA segments. Note that the DNA segment being probed is not present in organism B. To detect the position of the radioactive probe, the nylon membrane is covered with an X-ray film. After development, the positions of the probe become visible. The southern blot is used to verify the presence or absence of a specific nucleotide sequence in the DNA from different sources and to identify the size of the restriction fragment that contains the sequence. In this procedure, the DNA is isolated from each source and then digested with a specific restriction enzyme. The DNA restriction fragments are then loaded onto an agarose gel and the fragments separated by electrophoresis according to size, with the smaller fragments migrate.
Are there any questions? So Kashumi, like especially for this paternity testing and all, are there any other methods available apart from this particular blotting technique? Are there any other methods available? Especially scientific. So is it because of any advantages or other? No, I'm asking if it's a paternity testing. Are there any other methods? So, are you sure?